Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Cheeseburger Quesadillas. Alright, first thing we gotta do is make a little sauce for the quesadillas. Alright, so in this bowl I have 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And then you're going to want to add to this 1/2 cup of mayonnaise a tablespoon of white onions. Then 2 tablespoons of minced dill pickles. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And then you want to add 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. If for whatever reason you can't find white wine vinegar, white vinegar is perfectly acceptable. And then you just want to whisk everything together and keep whisking until everything is mixed together. Cover this and leave this in the fridge for at least an hour before we make our quesadillas. All right. Okay, and basically here we have about 2 pounds of ground beef, a little bit more than 2 pounds. And you just want to break this up, salt, pepper, and just break this up and cook it until it's no longer pink. That's it for this section. Okay, let's assemble our quesadilla. As you can see here, I've got a nice tortilla shell. This is the burrito size, so I think that's a 10-inch one. And I'm just going to spread a generous amount of our special burger sauce on this tortilla. And then we're going to add some ground beef, that wonderful seasoned beef we made. Then some shredded cheddar cheese. Like I say, when you're using shredded cheese, if at all possible, try to shred it yourself. Then we're going to add a little drizzle of mustard. And followed by a drizzle of ketchup. Last but not least, we have to add some pickles. And we all know what I say about anything burger related that doesn't have pickles on it. Then you just want to give this a great big fold over. Alright, let's take it to the griddle. Alrighty. As you can see here, our quesadilla is griddling nicely. Then I'm just going to coat. I coated, obviously, the side that's down with butter already. Now I'm going to coat the opposite side and then give these a couple of minutes to cook up and crisp up. All right, see everyone at the final product. Alrighty, got our quesadilla all nice and fried up. The only thing left to do is just cut it into 4s. So that's a cheeseburger quesadilla. Done.